This is P. Joe. I'm in the dark side. Have a look at this. This place here, Siam Buris, they're the best place for cheese. 200 baht a kilo. It's unbelievable. I'll show you Soi Khao Talo. Soi Khao Talo. Soi Khao Talo, I think they call it. Up on the dark side. It's Monday, 16th of August. I think I get the date right. There's a couple of bars just here. That was the new Secrets bar. And Castra Gym there. Bunny Bar. Have a look at these bars up here. You'd never know they were here unless you knew this place up here. Look at that. That was the Pasha Club. Pasha Club Pattaya. What else we got? Kick Bar. A couple of little bars there. Was there another couple down there, looks like. This intersection here, I think they call it Meeting Point. Meeting Point there, the little bar there, everyone meets up when it's open. And this road, you follow it along, will take you back into Pattaya. So let's take a look. There's a couple of things along here. I don't know what they were building there, but this place looks alright. It's a Siam Royal View. Look at that entrance. You look up there, what's that? Hilltop something. It's one of the highest points in Pattaya. You see the ocean from up there. Let's take a look down here. Today in Pattaya, Chonburi area, actually the cases went down a little bit, so that's a good sign. It's hot today, about 32, humid. A lot of condos here too, and housing villages I saw on the way up. Furniture shops. Got everything around here. Yeah, there's one of those housing villages. Eat Mongol 4. This is all the market area. Got all lots of Thai food down here. Got all the shops in there. Good little market. There's another village. Project 4. Build all these housing estates here and there. There's a couple of bars. Swiss bar. Oh, another telephone box just there. Swiss bar. Cool. Yeah, so Pattaya, we're still in the curfew. I think they're having a meeting today about what they're going to do. If they don't open up soon, this place is going to go to rack and ruin. People need to work. So let's hope things get better. Busy little area down here. Motorbike shops. Look at all the gold shops there. I don't think anyone would be buying gold, but you certainly sell gold now. just down here we got the railway tracks. Dangerous intersections here, no traffic lights, it's every man for himself. You got to watch where you're going. Here it is, one train line up to Bangkok. There's a big block of apartments there. What's that called? No, Eastern Grand Palace. You're a little bit out of Pattaya down this way though. It's more South Pattaya towards Jomtien. See over there the Jomtien Hospital. And this just here gets us up back on a Sukhumvit Road. I thought I'd give you a quick look because there's nothing open in Pattaya. We still got a curfew at night and there's not a lot to do except go to your room, watch TV. But I just thought I'd show you this, guys. Thanks for watching. The lights are about to go. It's Uru from P. Joe. Oh, hang on, look at this. See, you get a green light. How dangerous is that? Same here. Alright guys, P. Joe over and out. Thanks for watching. Uru.